Are you tired of missing important comments on your videos? Learn exactly how to find and manage every comment in YouTube Studio. I'll show you step by step how to access the Community tab, sort comments, and reply or heart them. Let's dive in. All right, so the very first thing you need to do is head over to YouTube Studio. This is your command center for everything related to your channel. Just sign in with your usual YouTube account and you'll land on the channel dashboard. This is where we get started. Now, on the left-hand side of your screen, you will see a menu. It might look a little busy at first, but trust me, it's organized. Look for the tab labeled Community. Go ahead and click on that. This is where all the magic happens. Every single comment your viewers leave across all your videos is right here in one place. So once you are inside the Community tab, you will notice a few filter options at the top. You will see a tab that says Published. That is your main inbox. It shows you all the comments that are live and visible on your videos. But here is the really important part that a lot of people miss. Right next to it, you will see tabs that say Held for Review and Spam. These are the comments that YouTube thinks might be questionable. I always recommend checking these regularly because sometimes genuine, nice comments get flagged by mistake. You do not want to leave those sitting there unseen. When you find a comment you want to respond to, just hover your mouse over it. You will see a couple of icons pop up. There is a reply button. Click that, type out your response, and hit enter. It is that simple. And if a comment really makes your day, you can click the little heart icon to show the viewer some appreciation. It is a small gesture, but your community will love it. So, to wrap it all up, you now have everything you need to take command of your comment section. No more lost messages, no more feeling like you are behind. Just open up YouTube Studio, head to Community, and use those filter tabs and sort options to find exactly what you are looking for. It takes 2 seconds once you know the layout. I promise, once you start checking your comments this way, it will become second nature. Now get in there and start connecting with your audience.